So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about happiest mindshare. So we know that since past few days, the stock is in little correction and it has approached the 1350 rupees level. So when we discussed about this particular stock near the 1400 in the recent times, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we have discussed about the ASM category. So ASM stands for additional surveillance measures. So this particular category has made the stock look little bearish and it is showing some sort of correction. So what would be the best opportunity if you want to buy this particular stock? So we'll try to discuss all the technical levels and also we'll try to compare the deliveries and we'll see how the actual deliveries are being taken on a regular basis. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates followed by technical charts for short term followed by swing trading. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if you see the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, how the stock has performed, so we can see on a regular basis the deliveries are increasing. So at every correction, many people are taking the opportunity to buy this particular stock. So we know when it goes up, it goes in a continuous manner, and same way when it takes any correction position, it tries to come down with a decent downfall and again it starts reversing. So that is the specialty of Happiest Minds. So here one thing we can clearly observe is that the deliveries are increasing. So if you compare on day-to-day basis, so from 41 we have increased to 44. So earlier that was 39.5%. So steady increment is present. So now let's go to the technical charts. So both on weekly chart time frame followed by daily chart. So we'll try to find out the complete technical levels. Okay, so now we are back on to the technical chart. So first we'll try to do the complete analysis on weekly chart time frame and then we'll move to the daily chart. So once you see the weekly chart, you can see a continuous uptrend that was observed in the stock. So even we know that the quarter results that the company has declared were also very good. So on that particular note itself, a very huge demand was also present for this particular company and we have seen some very good momentum. So what is the next immediate support that we can observe in this particular stock on weekly chart time frame? You can see that is going to be the 1300 rupees level. So this is going to be one of the important level on weekly chart time frame. And if you go and check out the money flow index, that is near 88 region. So it is still in overbought region and it is traveling in that particular region for a long period of time. So it has already given multifold returns from the lower levels that we also have discussed. So from the technical levels also you can find out that from 500 rupees level when we discussed about this particular stock, especially the future prospect and all the basic details. So we found that 1000 mark would be easily achievable for this particular company, but it has even crossed the 1000 and it has crossed the 1400 rupees level and followed by 1500 as well. So now the important region of, since it is in correction, it is going to be the 1300 as of weekly chart time frame. So let's go to the daily chart. There also we'll try to find out all the basic levels. Okay, so if you see the daily chart time frame today also we have seen more than 3.25% correction and it has approached the 1350. So here you can see the daily chart time frame. So continuous back to back 3 to 4 days we have seen the downfall. And as I told earlier also, when it has given the same sort of correction here also, you can see it has fallen almost 3 to 4 days like a parabolic fall, a sudden rise and a sudden fall. Again it tries to rebound in the same manner. So first level, as I told, 1300. So after that we have the pivot support of 1249.13. So these are going to be the two important regions that we need to observe in daily chart time frame. So even if you are willing to buy for swing trade, so that particular zone is going to be very important. And for long term wise, it is also very good stock we have discussed, but it has already entered into overvalued region. So let it correct for a while because of whatever the overvaluedness is present. So let it settle down a bit, then you can buy this particular stock for long term. So whatever the levels clearly we discussed. So first 1300 followed by 1249 are going to be the important zones if you want to average or if you want to have any fresh entry. So these are going to be the zones. And another important thing like money flow index, that is now coming a little bit down. So from highly overbought region of 90 plus, so now it has come to 70. So it is settling a little bit. So let it come to mid range. So then you can have a best entry both technical wise followed by money flow index. So these are the basic technicals of Happiest Minds. So whatever the correction we are seeing, it is only due to the ASM category and the overvaluedness already present in the stocks. Let it settle. So definitely, as I told, in the levels you can buy it. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.